Hi, it's Richard Geller. Beautiful day today. I'm going to go for a barefoot run, I think, in a few minutes. It's nice out there. In the meantime, I wanted to talk about a note that I received. Now, I get a lot of email. I'm very blessed. If you have a question you want me to answer, you can email support@mortgagereliefformula.com, and my team will then take those emails from you and they'll put them in my separate area, and I look at everyone and read everyone. I can't answer all of them, but I will try to answer as many as I can, and I always do. So I wanted to talk to you about this one today. Now, when you do send me an email, I will try to change any personal information you give so that if I discuss it with on a video or in my email that goes out to thousands of people, I won't use your personal information. I've been enjoying reading your program and just ordered the credit card and mortgage relief formula programs. I'm wondering if you could give me some tips on my situation. Okay, so now this person is saying, I think it's a she. I recently lost a job and began collecting unemployment, a whopping $250 a week. I had surgery, so my benefits stopped for about 2 months. Okay. I was behind on my bills and have a load of medical bills now. I have a rental house and a primary residence that have lost a huge amount of value and are majorly upside down. I can't sell or refinance. My renter is several months behind, and I'm short X number of dollars on the house payment every month. That's on the rental property. And I've already received a loan modification on the rental. It's still upside down. I applied for a loan mod on my principal residence, but they've strung me along with these 3-month forbearance plans, only to make me start again. My credit cards are maxed, and I can't afford the minimum payments. How do I prioritize what to pay? Who gets paid first? I am barely staying afloat with just the household bills, and when I have extra funds come in, I don't know who to pay because I owe so many different places. Well, let's talk about that. There's a couple things here that I wanted to bring to your attention. One of them is, let's see, this person I'll call Jane. Jane, you got a loan mod on your investment property, but you're still upside down. If you're going to get a loan mod on a property, on an investment property, you've got to be cash flow positive, significantly positive. Look, if it's an investment property, what are you doing with a property that's upside down, that's an investment? The only justification is for an investment property is either the value is going up all the time or you have a positive cash flow. If you don't have the value going up or a positive cash flow, it's not an investment property, it's a money pit. So I suggest that you get rid of it. I suggest you do a short sale and get rid of it. Personally, I would probably just work on a short sale right away on that property. And I wouldn't get into a loan mod that didn't get me a nice positive cash flow. It's very, very important on an investment property, okay? Otherwise, get rid of it. Now, as far as the other thing here that you've said, Jane, you've been getting these 3-month forbearance plans from your lenders on your primary residence. I don't like forbearance plans. Well, forbearance plan is basically just we'll postpone the issue. We're not going to give you anything. We're not going to make concessions, but we're going to postpone. I am not in favor of that. I think that what you want to do is you want to do a loan mod with your lender, and you want to do a really good loan mod. If you can't get a good loan mod out of your lender, then you got to, you might want to walk away or move because, or short sale, because nobody really benefits by just postponing things with a forbearance plan. The interest continues adding up, the principal continues to accrue, and I think you can be far more effective with a lender if you're absolutely steadfast in insisting on a loan mod. If you do a forbearance, you're letting them basically continue carrying that loan on their books as a performing loan, and that's really what they want right now. They want to continue rolling these things over month after month and have more performing loans. If you take that away from them, they're more likely to deal with you. So my recommendation is no more forbearance plans. Insist on a loan mod. If you can't get a loan mod, stop paying on that thing. You can stay there rent-free for a while. A lot of people do. You can do a short sale at some point and just move out. That could be very good actually for you in the end. Now, who gets paid first? Well, if it was me, I'm not telling you not to pay your bills. Normally, I would say pay your mortgage, but in this case, you might want to put pressure on the lender by not paying your mortgage. Medical bills, old medical bills, eventually you're going to settle those things. If you don't have the money to pay all that, then don't pay old medical bills. Credit cards, well, if you go to creditcardreliefformula.org, okay, that's .org, creditcardreliefformula.org, you can learn about you can see some video, and I have a course called Credit Card Relief Formula. Actually, you have that already. You just got that, I think. You can settle credit card debts, but you have to stop paying on credit cards because otherwise they won't really deal with you seriously. And the settlement happens usually about 5 months or so after you stop paying on the credit card. You can actually be out of this whole thing entirely. You can take the money that you're spending right now and paying all these bills, just pay for your living expenses, save the rest. It's important to save money if you can. I don't think you're making enough to save very much. But and now the last thing, as far as your credit rating is concerned, I wouldn't worry about my credit rating because you can fix a lot of that stuff up. When you settle these things, you can settle, and as one condition, you can have them either report favorably to the credit bureaus or report nothing at all. Then you can challenge the derogatories you've got, and if the creditor doesn't respond, they get removed. So that's what I would suggest. I have this course, loanmodbreakthrough.com, loanmodbreakthrough.com, and actually one of the modules in there is a really good credit repair explanation and show you how exactly to repair credit. Even foreclosures, even bankruptcy can actually be repaired. You can't take those off of the public record, but you can actually get those removed a lot of times from your credit report. And you can really increase your credit rating dramatically with the methods that I teach in that and also in creditcardreliefformula.org. So that would be what I would do. I would pay my household expenses first, got to live. And I would think about settling these credit card debts and settling the medical bills. And I would think in terms of being completely debt-free in 6 months, completely debt-free, and in a positive cash flow and in a comfortable mode. And I hope that you're feeling better, and I hope that you get back to work. Thank you very much. I'm going to go for my run. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.